You can change your entire life by doing this one thing. If you want to change your life, I mean radically improve your life, you must first change your perception of yourself. It comes down to beliefs. Because at the end of the day, no matter how hard you work, no matter how many hours you put in, if you don't believe you can do it, you won't do it. You won't do it because when you get to that impossible moment, you will quit. You will procrastinate. You will come up with all sorts of excuses because you don't believe you can do it. But if you identify yourself as someone who does achieve that particular thing, when you get to those impossible moments, you will rise to the occasion. You will rise. You will rise because you will believe you can do it. Even if there's only 1% of people in the world capable of achieving it, you will believe you are in that 1%. Because you identify yourself as a winner. You identify yourself as someone who will do whatever it takes. Someone who is willing to go through the pain to get to the other side. You identify yourself as someone who will win. In the end, no matter what. Think about the habits and addictions you want to change. If you are a smoker, for example, no matter what processes you go through to change your habit of smoking, you will never change it long term if you still identify yourself as a smoker. If you see the processes as hard or see it like it is taking something away from you, it's taking away your stress relief or whatever story you tell yourself. You see, the people who quit smoking without cravings, they do so because their new identity has changed. They are not smoker anymore. Smoking is equal to death. Smoking, the bad habit, is viewed as something that takes away from their life, not adds to it. It's the same for any habit, any addiction, anything you want to change in your life. Change your identity and change the meaning you give to that thing, and you will be able to remove it and replace it with something that takes you to the much better place. Somewhere you actually want to be. You have got to take a moment, be yourself, and ask some deep and honest questions. You might want to write these down, ask them, write your answers. Then, after that, write down how you want to see yourself. So, what is your current identity? How do you view yourself? In regards to your health, how do you view yourself? Are you someone who is healthy? Are you someone who has discipline to eat food that makes you stronger every day? Are you someone who exercises every day? If no, why not? If yes, can you train better, harder, differently so you feel at your peak every day? In regards to your achievement in life, can you do more? If yes, why haven't you? What is holding you back? Do you enjoy what you do for a living? What can you change to enjoy it more? How would you describe yourself in 3 sentences? Write it down. If you were to explain your qualities and struggles in 3 or less short sentences to a complete stranger, how would you describe yourself? Write down whatever's come to your mind. This is not about being a perfect or looking good. This is private. This is honest, and if you are real and ready, will lead to a change. Once you have that written down, identify some limiting beliefs in you about yourself. Now, write down how you want to see yourself. Picture 1 year from today. Imagine yourself 1 year from today after all the daily work you have put in to transform your life. Look at yourself from the bird's eye view. You are looking with a pride because you are the exact person you want to be. You created this. You built this character. Now, write down what qualities this person has. Write down in 2-3 short sentences who this person is. Is it someone who is completely authentically themselves? Is it someone who you see smiling all the time? Someone with great relationships? Someone who lights up everyone they come into contact with? Is it someone who has a crazy amount of physical energy? Someone who has unbreakable discipline? But that discipline comes easy. Is it someone that makes life look easy and fun? Someone who has created the wealth and happiness exactly as the picture? Is it someone who learns and applies that learning to achieve results? Is it someone who keeps going and going and going? Who is that person? Now, write one sentence. Who are you now? I am. I am someone who lives with passion, someone who is disciplined with ease. I am someone who only consumes that which makes me stronger. Food, learning, people, I am stronger. I am someone who lives every day to the fullest and pushes myself every today. So I am stronger every tomorrow. I am someone who knows exactly where they are going. So I only take actions that get me closer to that place in every area. Who are you? Who are you? I am someone who lives with patience.